Krishna says, Yoga Shemam Vaham Vaham. Yoga Shemam Vaham Yaham. Wherever the devotee goes, he will be taken care of. This is the karuna, the prema of the Lord. Of Krishna, for the conditioned soul, for the Nitya Bhara, we say Dina Bandhu, Dina Bandhu. Krishna is a friend of the Dina. What to speak of the Bhakta, the Sharanakati Jiva, the surrendered soul, he becomes bound with Krishna in prema. The Guru gives the Bhakti Lata Bija, and he binds the Jiva to Krishna with the ropes of prema. We become bound. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, Diksha Kale Atma Samarpan. Diksha Kale Atma Samarpan. At the time of Diksha, we surrender Atma Samarpan, Arpan, Mantan, Dan, Guru Samarpan. So for the Shishya, for the Bhakta, it's Man, Tan, Pran. Man, Tan is body, Man is mind, and Pran means that life essence. Pranava Omkar, so Pran. Mantan, Pran, Guru Samarpan. Then we offer this. This is our Samarpan. Samarpan means our complete offering. Sam means Samyak. Samyak means complete, absolute, unequivocal. And Arpan means to worship. Samarpan. So there's nothing more than Man, Tan, and Pran. So this is what it means. Diksha Kali, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is speaking about Diksha. Diksha Kali Atma Samarpan. So you give your everything. What does Krishna give you? Second line he says, Chirananda Deha. The Guru gives Chirananda Deha. Dehi, whatever. He gives, in return, the Guru gives a transcendental body. And in that transcendental body, the Nitya Bhada Jiva, the conditioned soul, the Shishya can now serve Krishna in the bondage of love that's called Jiva Bhagavan Prem Sambandha. So this is the beginning life of love, the beginning of bhakti. Guru Parashraya, then there's Diksha. Then there's Diksha Adi Shikshanam. First Diksha, because if there's no Samarpan, if there's no Atma Samarpan at the feet of Guru, there's no Diksha. If there's no Diksha, there's no Shiksha. So many teachings and Bhakti Gyan and Bhakti Tattva, but without Diksha, there will be no Vigyan and there will be no Anubhuti. Because with the Kripa of the Guru, when one surrenders, then one gets realization, which is Vigyan, and one gets Anubhuti, which is experience of the knowledge. This knowledge is experiential. We are supposed to not read as collectors of knowledge. We're not supposed to read to collect facts and figures. And there's four kinds of prema and separation. There's four kinds of prema and union. And there's some Riddhiman, some Bhog, and some Shikta, some Bhog. And all these we should study and learn these things, but it's not, the whole idea of Shastra and studying is transformation and elevation and self-realization. So this all happens by the Kripa of Guru. So therefore, when one surrenders, everything opens up. You'll get the Vigyan and Anubhuti. The other one, I don't need a Guru. I just read Prabhupada's books. I just read, it's good enough. I have Harinam, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. That's very nice. Harinam is very nice. Hare Krishna, read books. That's nice. But some lifetime, one must get Diksha. Then one can go forward. Bina Diksha, Prem Nehoga. Bina Diksha, Moksha Nehoga. Unless you get Kripa Siddhi. Both Durlabh, it's very rare.